हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे विप्रो क्वार्टर फोर रिजल्ट्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करते हैं विप्रो क्वार्टर फोर रिजल्ट्स के बारे में। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, सो गाइज, विप्रो करंट मार्केट प्राइस 385 विद अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ रुपीज़ 450, 450 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। IT major Wipro on Thursday posted a consolidated net profit of Rs 3,074 crore for the fourth quarter ended March 2023, down 0.4% over a year ago. The profit stood at Rs 3,087 crore in the same quarter last year. Revenue from operations during the said quarter rose 11% year on year to Rs 23,190 crore. Okay. Current market price 385 with a target price of rupees 450. Okay, recommendation strong buy. Okay, so guys, the company's board was approved a buyback of shares through the tender offer at rupees 445 per share. Wipro will buy back about the 26.9 crore shares from the shareholders of the company on a company on a provisional basis, which will not exceed to rupees 12,000 crore. Read details here. Okay. The board approved buyback of equity shares subject to the approval of shareholders for purchase by the company of up to 26 crore 96 lakhs 62,921 equity shares of rupees 2H, being 4.91% of total number of equity shares from the shareholders of the company on a proportionate basis by way of a tender offer, the company said in a filing. The segment-wise, the revenue from IT service rose the 4% year on year to rupees to $2,823 million for the March quarter on a sequential basis. The segment revenue was up by a marginal 0.7%. Meanwhile, the non-GAAP, the constant currency IT services segment, the revenue is down 0.6% quarter on quarter, but jumped 6.5% compared with year ago period. Okay, IT services operating margin for the quarter came in at 16.3%, which is flat quarter on quarter. We continue to maintain our focus on operational improvements and productivity enhancement, which led to our IT services margins exit at 16.3% in quarter 4, despite the macro and headwinds, said Jatin Dalal, CFO, Wipro, Chief Financial Officer. The Bangalore-based IT heavyweight expects revenue from its IT services segment to be in the range of $2,753 million to $2,811 million. This translates to sequential guidance of -3% to -1% in constant currency terms. Okay, so guys, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार, बोलो राधे राधे। Okay, total booking the fourth quarter, they're up 29.